All right, we're here at the Charlie Brown Steakhouse. Again, this is Jeremiah right here. In case you guys don't know him, he's a Facebooker. I'm a Facebooker. Right. And Charlie Brown right up here. Charlie Brown Steakhouse. Give him gift cards.
Will you get a photo of me here with the Charlie?
Yeah.
Charlie Brown Steakhouse?
Sure. Here, why don't you? Let me get a photo of Jeremiah. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, freaking A, it's on record mode.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Nothing much. Who's this? Yeah, I'm already there. Yeah. Sorry. Yes. Did Scott not show up?
Hey.
Oh, that sucks.